What's up everybody? Recently I had a slow draining bathroom sink and I figured I would make a video on how I cleared this drain. It's probably just hair and grease in the drain, I hope. Some people buy this plastic thing to remove the hair and they'll cost you about $2 to $4 at Home Depot. But my drain has a stopper and I didn't want to take the stopper assembly apart. So I tried making my own mini version.
We can't do that in front of every door.
But it was tedious. I went back to my usual method. I have been using this product from Home Depot for many years, and it's reasonably priced and it works. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money and have no contact with whoever makes it. The directions call for wearing gloves and goggles for safety. Let's follow the kitchen drain / slow drain instructions first. So we need to use 1/2 cup of this liquid, then wait 15 minutes before flushing with hot water. Here we go. You can get a measuring cup at Home Depot while you're there, but I don't have one right now. I'm setting a 15-minute timer. Here's my cup of hot water after 15 minutes. Now I'm running some more hot water. Okay, let's test it out. We are good. I just had a slow drain, but for complete clogs, you'll want to use 2 cups and maybe even leave it overnight before pouring the hot water in. So if you have a clog, try this stuff out. It may work for you. There are 2 clogs where it didn't work for me. Once, we had a clog in the main line because the ladies in this house were dumping supposedly flushable wipes down the toilet. I needed a drain snake to clear that one. The other time it didn't work was when I accidentally clogged the kitchen sink with rice and pasta. Take notes, people. Don't send pasta or rice down your garbage disposal. It almost forms like a glue down there. I had to take the pipes into the sink apart and run a drain snake through it. Before I let you go, I have to tell you one huge downside of using this product. The chemicals in this will strip the oiled bronze finish off your drain. I learned this the hard way. Oiled bronze looks very nice, but it's also one of the most delicate finishes you can buy. If you have standing water, just remove it with a little pump, and afterwards pour it down and wipe off any of this liquid from the oiled bronze finish on your drain. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.